thutha wa Ikuu cia Airitu anini gukorwo ciki mahinda kwa mahinda na aria makoretwo magikuruhanio na ndugu cia kiwendo hamwe. Riu Atongoria Atumia magitongorio ni mutarani wa wabici ya Mutongoria wa Bururi iguru rigie ihoto cia atumia Harriet Chigai nimeyumiritie na gukumithia njuragano icio na njira nene makiuga ati gutire mundu ubatie gukua ni gitumi kimwe kana kiria kingi.
Hence, we are standing here today as women leaders from all walks of life to not only condemn the violence meted upon women and girls, but also have an intimate conversation on how we can all participate in stopping the vice within the society. I therefore urge you to avoid victim blaming and victim shaming, because no one deserves to be killed under any circumstances.
Na kuona ati kaingĩ njuragano ici cikoretwo cikiyumiria thutha wa aria marakuruhanio nacio gucemania na kumenyanira nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Riu Atongoria a Atumia Nimendekithitie Githomo kuri Muingi iguru rigie uhuthiri wa nenda cia ukinyaniria hamwe na ciiko cia wikinae iria itabanagio na njira iyo.
We also need to increase our public awareness. We need a national campaign to educate our citizens, especially our youth, about safe use of social media. Awareness is also our first line of defense, knowing the risks and how to navigate them crucially.
Oho ni moritie honge cia thirikari na makiria cia ugitiri kunyitanira niguo kung'ethanira na thina uyu. Nake munini wa Spika wa Mbunge ya Bururi Gladys Sholei akiranira gwika mugaruruku watho-ini wa wikinae nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria hamwe na ihera ria aria mauna watho ucio maritungagio.
And you can see we need an all hands on deck to ensure that all these matters are brought to book and the perpetrators are actually dealt with.
We shall be championing some changes within the laws in Parliament. One, we have to strengthen law enforcement capacities. We must empower our law enforcement agencies with the necessary resources and training to effectively combat this new form of digital crime.
Njira-ini o iyo wandikithia wa ndumiriri cia ahuri biacara hamwe na aria maraingira nyumba-ini cia gukombora na kuria ciiko icio ciratabanirio niwendekithitio na makiria ugitiri ukiendekana kugacirithio makiria niguo guteithiriria hari uthuthuria wa ciiko icio.
Let us all be our sisters and brothers keepers. Let us all now get out of our comfort zone, and if you see a child of your neighbor is in a position of compromise, what are we doing? All these cases of femicides are within enclosed, safeguarded areas. Airbnbs are not built on top of trees. They are not in a forest anywhere.
Wongerereku wa ciiko cia njuragano gatagati ka endwa na muno makiria Airitu ni ndeto ikoretwo ikiyumiria muno guku bururi-ini, na riu Atongoria Atumia nimeyumiritie na gukumithia ndeto ino na njira nene makihoya watho urumirirwo niguo kuhukia kaimana ciiko cia Airitu kuragwo. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV kuma mucii munene wa Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Chigai wa Njohi.